Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. My name's Russell. This is the installation procedure for mounting a Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket onto a Isuzu NPS with Stratos seats. So the Stratos seats are the ones with the suspension, and the bracket itself will move with the seat, as you can see here. So the extinguisher moves backwards and forwards with the seat. Let's show you how to do it. The tools you'll need to install this bracket is a 12mm socket and ratchet, a couple of 8mm spanners, and the bracket itself will come with the longer hardware required to install it. You'll also have these M5 nuts and bolts, which you use to attach the extinguisher cage to the bracket. You might need a set of Allen keys, but most likely you don't need it. Start by removing the two 12mm nuts. After you've removed the two nuts, the factory bolts will fall out. We have supplied these longer ones that you need to then install. But first of all though, you need to install the cage of the extinguisher onto the supplied bracket using those hardware. And then use those two 8mm spanners to tighten them up. Once you've installed the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, that's where you then line up these bolts, and you need to then slip the longer bolts in and use the nuts to tighten them up. You can see one trick I just did was you slide the whole seat bracket back and then slip the bolt in from behind. You get a bit more access, and the nut there, or the bolt will then hold while you put the bracket on and then put the nut over the top. There you go. This installed. Now we do the other one, but to do that, slide the seat forward, so you can get access underneath to slip the bolt through. Then the nut goes on. All installed. Then we just slip the extinguisher into the cage. Lastly, finish it off with your little Kap Industries sticker.